Who? Ah, it's some kind of demon, bro. It's gotta be. Look at the voice. Yeah, it's some kind of deep. Listen to the possessed. Oh, hell no. What's good? It's your boy Shot Shooter, aka J Shields in the building. We're back with another video. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Please help it grow so I can continue bringing fire content for you guys. We will be playing a game called What Happened at the Farm. So we're gonna get into it. I'm not looking forward to it. Horror game, so okay, let's get it. Yo, y'all hear this? Yo, making me want to rap. Y'all ain't ready for that content yet. Okay, that's enough. Let's get it. So I'm just driving to this farm. And it's got a thunderstorm, huh? Yo, what the hell was that? Is that a person sitting there? It pops off like this? Oh, no, bro. He got an axe, yo. No. What the was that? Okay. Yo, stop tripping. I heard that. Stop tripping. Behind me, yo. Stop that. Oh, hell no. He just disappeared too. Oh, a flashlight. I'll take that. Fuck was that? Stop that, dog. Okay, I'm going this way. I wonder what makes people even attempt, like, bro, if it's middle of nowhere, my car break down, why would I wanna? I'm walking. Yo, what was that? What was that? Hey, I'm sorry. Is there something hanging, dangling? What? Yo, come on. Stop with these branch every time. Oh. Tripping. Yo, bring out the flashlight. Why you stop tripping? Yo. I'm hearing like some kind of predator and shit. Hold up. Is that pig dead? Somebody killed it. No, that thing talking. Stop playing. Oh, it just got up. What? It's glitching. What's up, pig? What happened to your owner? Why you out here like that, man? Yeah, a house in the middle of nowhere. I don't care how comfortable it looks. Yo, stop that. Stop that. Where you at? Where you at? I keep hearing behind me, bro. Stop. Yo, pig, you tripping. You tripping. Stop that now. Okay, I'm just gonna enter. Alarm system don't even work. Anybody home? I could have used some help. You tripping, my guy. Okay. Okay, let me go over here. There's some light. Yo, pig, what's good? What's good, man? You alright? What? This where someone at? What was that? What? What the hell is that? Oh, that's a plant. It's so dark. Okay. You able to run in this, bro? That's not a good sign. Stop. Boy, I thought something was flying up there. What's this? 1, cut the beams. 2, get the boards from back of the shed. 3, nails and tools. Okay. Nails and tools, okay. What am I supposed to go in here? Yo, this is a big land, though. Stop! How is that even making that sound like it's electric? Said the boards in the back, so let's find that real quick. Could it be the logs that's boards or what? Nah. Let me go back here. Let me see. Is it these? Yo, what you doing back here? Stop. Creature, what? You sound like a creature, like whatever. Bro, come on now. Stop that. Don't do this to me, man. Oh, hell no. What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? No. Ooh, this is giving me chills. That voice. Stop. Okay. I'm gonna take this key. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that closed. What the? Oh, that's a pig. I thought that was another body. What is that? Okay, that ain't nothing. Okay, is this the keys to the shed? Okay, is this the keys to the house? It is. I'm hearing footsteps. What the? Come on now. Who? Ah, it's some kind of demon, bro. It's gotta be. Look at the voice. Yeah, it's some kind of deep. Listen to the possessed. Oh, hell no. I don't want to move. Wait right there. Let me. I have managed to arrange the shrews out back. Okay. Bro, can you leave? Is this your shit? What are you doing? Oh shit! Sheesh! Pause. Can I pause? Oh. Give me a minute, y'all. Man, what the what's that, bro? And then he pull up the flashlight, man. Stop pulling it down, bro. Okay. Bro, I thought he was right there. Let me go open ground. What? Somebody crying? Yo, where you at? Oh. This the wife. What? There was a door here all along. Ladies and gentlemen, when you get in a situation like this, don't do this at home. Don't do it. I am the law. It's against the law. But I'm gonna do it. Yeah, he was hungry, yo. What's this? I can't get it? That's a key. What is the small key? Watch. I turn around. Once I walk out. Oh no. How about let me just close this door? I can't. Oh well. I'm guessing it's the key to the shed. Yo, pigs, how can y'all be so calm in this atmosphere? Oh. Oh. Okay. Yo, stop. Stop, please. I'm just trying to get out of here. Nick, yo, get. Yo, you're not behind me. Stop that. You're not. You're not. Okay, we got the dynamite. Oh! Shoot up. I'm about to cook some good bacon with your ass. So you go over there and you just lay down. You do that to me and you go over there and lay. Okay. All right. So we're gonna see. I'm assuming it's over here. Oh, snaps. I just walked over and it sat it down. Okay. Here we go. Hey, yo, come on, what you gotta do, dog? Oh, man. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Oh. What? Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, if you like that, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Help my channel grow so I can continue scaring the shit out of me for y'all. I'm gonna get out of here. Don't look at me.